Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm super excited to share with you a 90s inspired sound design technique in Serum 2. Super popular sound at the minute. Let's just jump straight into it. A lot of you are probably already aware of this really awesome feature in Serum 2 where if you hover your cursor over here next to the logo, you can drag out a render of the last note you played into your DAW or back into an oscillator of your choice. One thing that I didn't realize about this is that this actually also works polyphonically. It can detect the last chord you played. So here we have a C major 7. And now we can drag our render into a sampler and switch off this other oscillator for now. So this is quite a basic example, but just to show you what you can quickly do even with this, we can add a filter. We can shape it a little bit, modulate the cutoff, add some noise. It's just a really interesting jumping off point and a different way to start a patch. This is what you can end up with just from some simple saw chords. You might be thinking, why do this? Why not just have a patch and play the chords in yourself? There's something specific about the way that a sampler repitches the sound that adds that kind of like 90s, sampled texture, which is really cool. But just as another example, a lot of preset creators like myself include chords in the clip. We can even just delete these chords for now and we can play this sound. So I've not done anything else to this patch at all, but I can drag a render of the chords we just played back into a sampler. That actually sounds really Chords of Canada. Just to show you another example, we could go into the factory library here and we could sample this first chord. And again, drag this to a sampler. Can maybe repitch this a little. That actually kind of sounds like a chord sound someone like Sam Galatry might use or something like that. But yeah, you can really experiment with this. I hope you find it helpful. If you want to support these videos, you can get 20% off all of my presets in the link down below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.